Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create this super easy 9-strand braid. So let's get started. First of all, you need to comb your hair thoroughly so that there are no tangles. And now from one side, take some hair and start twisting it like so. And then fix it with the help of a bobby pin. Now after gathering all your hair to one side, divide your hair into 3 equal sections. Now keep aside the other 2 sections and take the outermost section and start making a reverse 3-strand braid. For that, you need to cross the outermost strand under the middle and then the innermost strand goes under the middle. Keep on doing this to create a reverse 3-strand braid. And after moving to a few steps, start stretching the sides of the braid. This will make the braid look thicker instantly. And keep on doing this till you reach the end of the braid. And tie with an elastic. Now take another section and make another 3-strand braid. And this is also a reverse 3-strand braid. And similarly make the 3rd braid. Now you have 3 braids, so keep the outermost braid in the middle like so, and then take all the braids together and tie with an elastic at the end. And then you can remove the previous elastics of the braids. Now merge together the outermost 2 braids like so and take a zigzag bobby pin like this one. And you need to place the bobby pin in vertical direction from upside down like so. So this is gonna fix both the braids together. So you need to fix one more bobby pin in the middle and then one more at the end so that the braid looks like one. Now take the last braid and keep its one side over the middle braid and fix it just like we did with the previous braids. Now stretch the sides of the braid a little to make it more voluminous and take out some flicks from the front to frame your face, and that's the whole look. So as you see, this is just a trick to make a 9-strand braid, which is quite easy but beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such hairstyles, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!